So yeah, there shouldn't be a dogma of like cooked or raw, like it's really all about like what happens when you eat this, what happens when you eat that, how do I feel when I eat this, when I don't eat that. You want you want brilliant circulation in your blood. You want food that's really easy to digest, and you want food that's like wet and watery and keeps you hydrated and really easy to remove from the body. That's the criteria. In the Eden and paradise and the well-functioning bodies without a huge crazy toxic buildup and load that we're carrying, we would start off and finish as fruit-eating species, frugivores, with potential like small little baby soft green leafy vegetables or even sprouts potentially, but it'd be heavily based on just fruits. That'd be like the vast majority. But when you're getting better from recovering from all like food addiction and temptations all around you, as well as just food addiction, temptation all around you, and an impaired body, and you have to manage your detox levels so you don't detox too quick and have crazy cravings and feel like shit physically, mentally, emotionally. You want to like work with the system. That's why the Mucusless diet healing system really is, in my opinion, like it is really the best. Like it works perfectly incrementally to make progress without any like shame, guilt, and it's very positive. It's very, 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 very good. And I'd highly recommend doing what I do in this video, whether or not you're eating a cooked food diet or raw food diet, because loads of people are addicted to fats on a raw food diet. So it's not about some sort of like cult religion where you say you eat a raw food diet. You want to do what makes you feel kick-ass and follow those criteria. Like I said, easy to digest, easy and fast to eliminate and to digest, and keeps you and leaves you hydrated. So in the ideal world, fruits would do that perfectly. But now we're working with the system. We're doing the next best thing, and you can add in spices to your cooked fly. Like I add in ginger powder, some either bouillon or tamari or soy sauce, or some salt with some vegetable powder in it. Or you can add in some coriander or some basil, like this fresh, that's what I did today, some coriander. It's really, really tasty. Cayenne pepper, nutritional yeast, but all that still starchless and no concentrated fat whatsoever. So like it works with exactly what I'm saying. Now I did have a little bit of mung bean sprouts and a little bit of avocado, but that's because my daughter had some left over from her small little. She doesn't use any condiments or spices because she doesn't need to. And she's as fit as a fiddle and as healthy as anything and as happier than God. I'm only joking. That's such a really good funny name of a book by Neil Donald Walsh, a really good spiritual author. Happier than God. I love that. So just a smidgen though, and I didn't notice any difference from that. I hope this video helps my friends. Lots of love. If anyone needs any health coaching, recovering from food addiction or like detoxification, or if they're doing if they want to like cleanse and detoxify their body, or if they're trying to like heal from a certain disease or illness, please let me know. I'd love to help you. I do consultations on body, mind, spirit, physical, mental, emotional, spiritual well-being. I also do like relationship consultations and coaching and help, as well as personal healing and healing from past trauma, shadow work, working with our pain body, huge emotional overreactions or reactions, conflict, miscommunication and communication in relationships, avoiding breakup in relationships, keeping a family together, just keeping a relationship together, your marriage together, or even just your relationship together, for the highest well-being and the most positive well-being and purpose for everybody. So I have loads and loads of experience in all of this, and I'd love to help you if you're interested. So I genuinely hope this helps from the bottom of my heart, from the top of my spirit and soul. And happy new year. Owen Fox here from Ireland. Happy 2023. Wishing a gorgeous day and infinite now moment always, as it always is. And always look out for the beautiful gifts in this present gift. The gift is always here and now, always being provided and given to you, perfectly tailored for you. Nothing happens by accident. Everything's happening by you, to you, and for you, for your own highest good, by your own higher spirit, highest soul, and from God's source, spirit, universe, for your positive well-being and highest purpose spiritually. So don't worry about hardships and keep learning the lessons, and everything is okay. Lots of love, blessings and love, blessings, blessings, blessings.